Hey everybody, it's David again from Real Hardware Reviews, and today we have something really exciting to unbox and share with you. It's the highly anticipated MSI GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Gaming X Trio 8GB graphics card. This beast of a graphics card combines raw power with stunning aesthetics, so let's not waste any more time and just dive into it. You can see the box proudly showcases the MSI logo and the product name. It's time to unleash the power within and see what's inside, so let's crack this guy open. This is the MSI GeForce RTX Gaming X Trio 4060 Ti. It looks absolutely stunning. The design is perfect blend of tech and aesthetics and making it a showstopper in any gaming rig. What makes this graphics card truly impressive is its performance. It's specifically designed to target the 1080p to 1440p resolution range, delivering a smooth gaming experience at 60 FPS, especially with DLSS 3 support. You could expect enhanced visuals and improved frame rates comparable to a 3070. Now let's talk about the additional features that make this graphics card such a powerhouse. First up, we have the Torx Fan 5.0. Now these fan blades are linked by a ring arc, as you can see right here, and combined with a fan coil, they work together to stabilize and maintain high pressure airflow. This ensures the GPU stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. And we have the core pipes, this section of square shaped heat pipes, as you can see right here. A little bit better right here actually. These efficient cooling mechanism keeps your graphics card operating at an optimal temperature, ensuring top-notch performance, especially for any type of high-intensity games. Now, diving into specs of this card actually has about 4,352 CUDA cores and about 8 gigs of DDR6. Now, 8 gigs is not a lot in today's games, so be sure to make sure that your games are able to support it, but nonetheless, that's all based on the game developers, and hopefully it can come down with the VRAM usage. As far as power delivery goes, it uses a single 8-pin power connector, which is perfect. It doesn't use the new NVIDIA power connectors, so you can just plug in an 8-pin here without any issues, and it's about 160 watts, give or take. Now at the back of the card, as you can see, are the video outputs. You have 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and also an HDMI 2.1. Looking at the back here still, we could see that the card is about 2.5 slots here and fairly tall. Not only that, this card is pretty long. Now measuring this card, we're about 13 inches long and about 2 inches in width. It's really interesting, as you can see here, that the actual card itself, the PCB, is only about half the card right here. Everything else essentially is just pure on cooling. Now, the card also includes a metal support bracket for your graphics card, so essentially this will help it from sagging and just hold it up. The graphics card itself is not terribly heavy, but it's a nice touch from MSI to include this inside the packaging. One other feature that this graphics card has is the copper base plate. This solid copper base plate transfers heat from the GPU to all the other heat pipes, allowing for even better cooling overall. Now on the top of the card, as you can see, you have the MSI logo that lights up as well. And as far as the upper side here, it has the GeForce RTX logo. At the back, it is a solid piece of metal backplate here, so it makes the card pretty rigid and not saggy at all. I can't even bend it. It's pretty solid overall. There you have it, folks. The incredible MSI GeForce 4060 Ti Gaming X Trio 8GB graphics card is packed with an array of additional features. With its outstanding cooling, sleek design, and powerful performance, this really is a game changer for any gaming setup. Remember, we don't have the full price sheet of this card at this moment when we shot this video, but we're guesstimating anywhere between $450 to $500 USD. However, for the most accurate and up-to-date information, make sure to check out MSI's website. Before we wrap up on this unboxing video, we want to let you know that we'll be conducting a comprehensive review of this graphics card, and also we'll let you know more about its performance, benchmarks, and overall thoughts. So make sure to check out our website, www.realhardwarereviews.com, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed getting a closer look at the MSI Gaming X Trio 4060 Ti, and along with its incredible features and performance. This is David from Real Hardware Reviews, signing out.